A single luxury sofa can sell for more than $10,000.
A handcrafted dining table can cost as much as a brand new car.
But what makes luxury furniture so expensive? Is it really better than regular furniture?
By integrating advanced robotics with masterful hand finishing, we achieve a level of precision unmatched in the industry. From rare hardwood forests to skilled craftsmen who spend decades mastering their trade. We're about to follow the complete journey of luxury furniture, from raw materials to showroom floors.
The craftsmanship on this walnut table is absolutely exceptional. It truly is. I think we found the centerpiece for the new wing.
Every luxury furniture piece begins long before it enters a factory. It starts in carefully managed forests around the world. Mesas. The wood used for premium furniture isn't ordinary lumber. Manufacturers often choose walnut from North America. But here's the interesting part. Only a small percentage of harvested trees qualify for luxury furniture production. Tiny trees. The selected logs are transported to specialized sawmills, where giant industrial saws slice massive trunks into rough. What most people don't know is that freshly cut wood contains a huge amount of moisture. In some cases, over 50% of the board's weight is water. The boards are stacked inside enormous drying facilities, where their transformation truly begins. Some are air-dried outdoors for several months, allowing nature to slowly remove excess moisture. Others enter computerized kilns. These giant chambers carefully control temperature and humidity, and the process can take weeks. Sensors constantly monitor moisture levels. The goal is usually between 6 and 8% moisture content. This is where things get surprising. Many luxury furniture makers allow premium wood to age for additional months after kiln drying. The curvature on the back support needs refinement. I agree, the tension looks off in the wireframe. Let's smooth that spline. Engineers use sophisticated 3D software to visualize every angle. Every curve, every joint, every measurement must be perfect. Some designs undergo dozens of revisions. The goal isn't simply beauty. The furniture must withstand years or even decades of use. Stress simulations help engineers predict how a chair will perform under heavy loads. Tables are tested virtually before any physical prototype exists. Once approved, production blueprints are sent to the factory floor, and that's where the transformation truly begins. Each board is scanned. Software identifies grain direction and natural patterns before production begins. Then powerful CNC machines take over. These machines can cut with incredible precision, often within fractions of a millimeter. Large routers carve tabletops. Automated saws cut structural components. Drilling machines create perfectly aligned holes. This is where luxury furniture separates itself from mass-produced furniture. The joinery stage.
Joinery refers to how wooden pieces connect together. Luxury furniture uses advanced joints.
Many of these techniques have existed for centuries. Skilled woodworkers carefully fit every component by hand.
A single cabinet can contain hundreds of individual parts. Each must fit perfectly. Even a gap smaller than the thickness of a credit card may be. But hand sanding remains essential. Workers gradually move through finer and finer abrasives, removing tiny imperfections. A dining table might be sanded multiple times before finishing begins. The smoother the surface, the better the final appearance. A flawless finish can make ordinary wood appear extraordinary, and premium wood look absolutely stunning.
Look closely at this grain match right here.
I see it. It meets the specification.
Excellent work. This one is cleared for shipping.
If any defect is discovered, the piece returns for correction. Nothing reaches customers unless it meets strict standards. Because in the luxury market, reputation is everything.
Some manufacturers perform rigorous stress tests. Drawers are opened thousands of times. Chair frames experience repeat. The finished furniture now enters the final stage, packaging. Protective foam surrounds vulnerable corners to keep every piece safe during transport.
All right, let's get this lid secured. Did you check the straps on the dining set?
Yes, all tight. This one is ready for the stencil.
Some luxury furniture travels thousands of miles before reaching customers, from factories to warehouse to showrooms. And let's look at a luxury dining table selling for approximately $5,000. Premium hardwood materials alone may cost between $500 and $1,000. Packaging and shipping may cost between $200 and $500, bringing total production costs to roughly $2,000 to $3,000. Maintenance. Labor can range from $700 to $1,500. Finishing materials may add another $200, So how do luxury furniture companies make money? The answer lies in branding, craftsmanship, exclusivity, and distribution. A manufacturer may produce a dining table for $2,500. They sell it wholesale for around $3,500. What most people don't know is that luxury customers often pay for more than materials. They pay for design, reputation. It's a combination of engineering, artistry, patience, and precision. Every table, every chair, and make sure to subscribe to Factory Insight USA for more incredible manufacturing stories from around the world. Thanks for watching.